Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to log into Credit Karma so you can check your credit score quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to the Credit Karma website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website by typing in the URL www.creditkarma.com. Step 2. Locate the login button. Once the Credit Karma homepage has loaded, look for the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your credentials. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter the email address associated with your account in the first field. In the second field, type in your password. Make sure both entries are correct. Step 4. Check the Remember Me option. Optional. If you want to stay logged in on this device for quicker access in the future, you can check the box that says Remember Me. If you are using a public or shared device, it is advisable not to check this option. Step 5. Click on Login. After entering your credentials and adjusting the Remember Me setting, click the Login button. Step 6. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have enabled two-factor authentication for added security, you will be required to enter the code sent to your registered mobile number or email. Enter the code in the designated field and proceed by clicking Verify. Step 7. Access your dashboard. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Credit Karma dashboard, where you can view your credit scores, reports, and various financial tools available to you. Step 8. Explore additional features. Take some time to navigate through the site. You can explore features like credit score monitoring, personalized recommendations, and tips for improving your credit health. Don't forget to regularly log in to your Credit Karma account to keep an eye on your credit score and make any necessary adjustments to your financial plans. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.